Hey everybody, this is my 2011 Honda 420. It's a straight axle, foot shift, no power steering. And I want to show my plow setup that I use during the winter to plow my driveway. It's got a manual arm. And it connects to the control arms. As you can see, it's universal for different size bikes here. It can slide in or out to adjust for which size width bike you get. It's a plastic plow with a metal cutting edge. Now, as you can see, I don't have a winch, and I've never needed one on this nice light little bike. So I've made a do-it-yourself kind of fashion lift for this plow, which is pretty simple and crudely made. Basically, you've got this arm on a pivot point, comes over to the middle with a chain, and when it pivots, it lifts the plow. Simple. It's much quicker than using a winch, and it's not as hard on the bike's electrical system because I don't need to use the winch. Now, when I want to drive around with the plow up, this will stay in this position because it's such a tight fit. It will stay locked in. Well, when I'm going down the road, I have this little bolt here I put through here. Just like that. And the plow cannot drop. You'll see, I imagine you'll see some plowing action this winter. But right now I'm just getting it geared up and ready for winter time. I hope to do a little maintenance on this bike this winter and get it ready for riding next year. Hopefully get some good content of this and my Pioneer both riding together. Stay safe, everyone. Enjoy.